Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sukhmani Sodhi. I'm a numerologist, a tarot consultant and a life coach. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So guys, in this reading, we'll be checking out what will be your person's feelings in next 48 hours. Okay guys, so before starting the reading, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel and do share your feedbacks with me in the comment section, because I just love to read all the comments, your views about the channel, about the videos. So please do share your feedback and take a deep breath before starting the reading. What will be your person's feelings in next 48 hours? What will happen in the future? What will happen in next 48 hours? What will happen in next 48 hours? In your relationship. What will happen in next 48 hours in your relationship? Your person's feelings in next 48 hours. Okay, you've got some cards. So the first card here is 10 of Cups, 3 of Swords, 9 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, the Fool. We'll take one more card, 5 of Wands. The bottom of the deck is Judgment. Okay, so guys, first of all, I would like to discuss the signs. You or your person can be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so guys, here I can see you and your person wants to end all the problems. I don't know why there's a halt. The relationship is, I don't know why your relationship is stuck at this point of time. But you want a reconciliation with this person, and in next 48 hours, your person will communicate with you. Your person will talk to you. Maybe you're inactive. Maybe right now you don't want to put in any kind of efforts, but your heart needs to talk to this person. You want to talk to this person, but you don't want to put in any kind of efforts because of the fear of being hurt. But I can see reconciliation in the cards, and you both want to communicate, you both want to talk to each other, you both want to stay with each other, because this card is showing reconciliation, this card is showing communication, this card is showing getting back to each other. And this reading is about next 48 hours. So I think in next 48 hours you will be communicating with each other. Maybe this person will contact you or will talk to you and try to end all the problems. Maybe you both will find a solution for the problems in your relationship. So yes, I can see the communication. Yes, I can see the reconciliation, because you both want it. And there are like very, very high chances of both of you talking to each other and ending all the problems, finding a solution for the problem, and the reconciliation is seen in the cards here. So 10 of Cups again. I think this person wants to stay with you. This person is wanting a family with you. Maybe this person will come with a proposal. I can see celebration on the cards. There may be some kind of celebration in your relationship. Maybe you both will talk to each other, you will share your heart out, because I am foreseeing happiness, contentment, satisfaction, bliss, a blessed life in next 48 hours. So I can see reconciliation, I can see happiness coming your way in next 48 hours. I can see contentment. I can see some wish of yours will be true. This person wants to talk to you. This person wants to reconcile with you. This person wants a family with you, a new beginning with you. A circle is going to complete in next 48 hours, and this person will be happy. I know he is hurt. Maybe for few hours he will be hurt because he thinks, that maybe, I think this person has a fear of losing you. This person wants to stay with you. He doesn't want to lose you. He's hurt of something. Maybe, and please be careful of the words, careful of the language you use while talking to him, because this person is already not in a good frame of mind. So I would request you all to please, if they contact you, please try and be soft with them. Reconciliation is again on the card, so I can see that you both will be together in next 48 hours. Maybe he'll try to communicate. Maybe he'll feel sorry. Maybe he'll say that I want you. Maybe you're my need. You're my life. You're my everything. Maybe he'll say that I want to stay with you. I want a family with you. Let's be together for life. This is our time. This is the divine time now to be together. So this person will maybe hold your hand and say that let's go somewhere, where we both will be together, where there'll be no disturbance, where, it will be just you and me. So yes, in next 48 hours, I can see you both together. This person wants to take risk for you. This person wants to stand up for you. And I think there might be some kind of a third party situation in your relationship. Maybe his parents are not wanting him to be with you. But I think once you make up your mind to be with this person will also attract the same vibrations, and this person will stay with you no matter what the world says, no matter what people say, but this person will stay with you. And there is a possibility that people will try to intervene in your relationship, maybe try to create disturbance in your relationship. Maybe you both will argue, fight just because of the people around, or maybe the past, or maybe some kind of argument will be there. Definitely, I would like to check out and clarify all the cards here. But yes, I can see reconciliation is on the cards. Yes, you both can expect a call, or you can expect a call and message from this person. Okay. Why is this 9 of Cups here? Thank you so much. Thank you. Why is this 9 of Cups here? Nine of Cups. Please clarify this 9 of Cups. Thank you. 9 of Cups, please. Thank you. Okay, 4 of Wands. I think this person will be with you, and maybe he will recognize, he'll admit, he'll realize that you both are twin flames. Maybe he'll ask for the proposal. Maybe he'll ask you to be with him for all his life. This person is thinking of a marriage. Definitely this person is thinking of a stability, a family with you. And I think that is the wish or manifestation. Maybe this is what you're manifesting from a long time, and this wish is coming. I think it is going to be true in next 48 hours. So, yeah. What is this Three of Swords about? Three of Swords, please. Thank you. Clarify Three of Swords. Okay. Seven of Swords. Maybe there's a possibility that you have lied things. Maybe you have lied to him, or he has lied to you, and he's feeling regretful. He's in pain. He's feeling hurt. And why is hurt? Because he has hurted you. He has hurted you. Maybe he has cheated on you, lied to you about many things, and you have caught him red-handed. Yes, there's a possibility about that, and this person is hurt. This person is fearful. Maybe this person thinks that maybe you're lying to him. Maybe you're not keeping everything in front of him. Maybe you're concealing things. Maybe you're not clear in your thoughts. Maybe you're with someone else. So this person has his own fears, insecurities in mind. This is the reason. And there is a possibility that whenever you both will talk, this person will ask you, have you talked to him? Have you talked to this person? Have you talked to this guy or this girl, or like, I don't know. But this person will inquire about the things. So he thinks that maybe you're lying to him. Okay. Why this Ten of Cups here? Ten of Cups. What is this Ten of Cups about? Please clarify Ten of Cups. Thank you. Knight of Cups. This person is coming to you with a proposal. Definitely, guys. Because he wants to settle down with you. He is planning of a marriage with you. He is feeling emotional about you. He's missing you. And I know that this person was inactive. This person wasn't putting in the efforts. But now he wants to come to you. This card is about a proposal coming towards you. Okay. What is this Wheel of Fortune about? Please clarify the Wheel of Fortune here. Thank you. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune, please. Thank you. Eight of Pentacles. I think you will be getting the reward of the good deeds which you have done, for the efforts which you have put in this relationship, for all the hard work, for all the efforts, for all the good deeds. I think you will be getting the reward, and you will face your karma. And I think maybe you were trying hard to get this person back into your life. Maybe you wanted to communicate with this person. Maybe you wanted to stay and settle down with this person. I think this wish will come true in next 48 hours. Maybe he'll talk to you about the efforts. Maybe he'll think to put in the efforts into this relationship. Yes, he's thinking to put in his efforts. Yes, he's thinking to put in his efforts. He wants to start afresh. He wants to think about you, wants to settle down with you, and this is what he's thinking right now. And God, divine intervention is seen on the cards. What is this Five of Wands about? Please clarify Five of Wands here. Thank you. Five of Wands. We have got two cards here. Okay, Justice and the Tower. I think you both will have, maybe you are not in talking terms right now, and I think this person broke off with you. This person said that he doesn't want to stay with you, and you please carry on with your work and everything in your life. And I think this person will be regretful for all that he has said, and maybe he'll be sorry about it. Maybe he will be sorry about all the wrong he has said to you. What is this Fool about? Please clarify the Fool. Thank you. Seven of Cups. Maybe earlier this person was confused about you. He was thinking that maybe you're not the right choice, maybe he needs some more time, maybe things weren't that much clear, he wanted the clarity, but now he is all about you. He wants to take risk for you, he wants to stand up for you. He will not care what the other party, or maybe his parents, or maybe the family, maybe friends are saying about you. He is now confident enough to move. Can you see the fool walking? He doesn't care where he's going, where will he land, but he wants to move, he wants to take risk. Doesn't care what the dog is trying to show. He doesn't care what the dog is trying to make him understand. He just cares about one thing, that he has to move. That's it. So I think he has got clarity on that front, and he'll be getting clarity on that front in next 48 hours. Okay, so now we'll be checking out few guidance messages for you. Guidance messages for you. Okay. Please, one guidance messages for my viewers. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I need one, please. Thank you. One guidance message, please. One, thank you. Okay. Choose love. Very beautiful, guys. If you're struggling with an obstacle or conflict, choose a path of love. Suffering, doubt, and frustration all transform in a presence of love. So show your love courageously. Show your love openly. Show your love with no strings attached. It's safe to give and receive love. In fact, if you have a hard time with self-love, start outside yourself and work your way in. Showing love to others can be gateway for your loving yourself. So guys, you have to choose love, whatever it is. I know that you're going through a lot of problems in your life, a lot of struggles in your life, but you have to choose love over everything, because if you choose love, I think you will receive love. So please choose love. I know the situation is not that good, but it will take you a long way. Okay, now we'll be checking few messages from the romance angels. What the romance angels wants to say to you. Few messages from the romance angels. Okay, I think we have got one message. One more, please. Getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So guys, you have to know each other. You have to reveal your innermost selves to that other person. Talk about it. Talk about your feelings, talk about your emotions, how you're feeling with him, what all you're going through. I think if you will be able to discuss about your soul, about your innermost self, I think you will be able to understand this person, and this person will also understand you. You also have to understand the other person. Okay, so the other one is playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So guys, please be playful and just recapture all the romance and be youthful. Be a youthful spirit, okay? And don't forget to shine, okay? Be playful. Be like, show your innocent side. Show your innocence, be light-hearted, be like a child, be innocent, be good. This is what you have to put out in the world, because if you'll put out the playfulness, the innocence, you'll get all the love, you'll get all the innocence, all the good vibes from the outer world, or maybe your person, or in your relationship. So I think you should put out all the playfulness out there to get it back. Okay. So now we'll be checking out the initials of your person. It can be your initial as well. The first is W. Then we have R, D, O, C, S, U, A, O, G, F, X, and P. Okay. Few messages, few love messages we'll be taking. Okay, so the first message is trust issues. Maybe this person doesn't trust you, or he is not loyal to you. This can also be the message here. I care about you. This person cares about you, definitely. I love the way you dress up. I want you to fight for our love. It doesn't want you to quit. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm confused right now. Waiting for the right time. Okay, great. So these are the messages from your person. I hope you like the reading, guys. If you're looking out for a personal reading or personal slot, you can definitely reach out to me. All the details, contact details are mentioned in the description box. You can definitely contact me if you are looking for some personal guidance. And if you want to learn tarot card numerology, you can approach me for the same. Until next time, please do take care. Bye.